Free traffic source is one of the best traffic source to promote Clickbank product. And here you can see a few of the earnings, $21, $4, $21. These all are coming from my YouTube channel, which is one of my biggest traffic source for promoting affiliate products. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank product for free with Instagram. And the best part, no followers required. You don't need followers. Instead of that, this strategy is going to help you to grow your followers as well as to bring some of the sales like this. Okay, I'm going to show you step-by-step full training. Smash that like button, guys, because what I'm going to show you is it's not going to available there in the YouTube. And the second very important thing, some people are selling this in courses from $99 to $199. I am showing you all those step-by-step 100% working strategy here. Do subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel. I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday related to affiliate marketing, which will help you to make money online. So if you can watch few of my videos, if that provide you value, subscribe my channel, put the notification on and smash the like button right away right now, because this strategy can help you to make money in next 24 hours. I know that this is a bold claim, but if you watch this video till the end, you're gonna get a lot of values from it. To promote Clickbank product for free with Instagram, you need a Instagram page. Okay, you don't need a followers. If you're starting out your page, that's great. Even if you have a followers, you can use this strategy by making little bit changes, which I'm going to show you in a second. So guys, the first very important thing is, guys, you have to follow these 4 things. Okay, that is, you have to keep your page relevant, your bio, your post, captions and hashtags. So I'm not going to show you how to grow your Instagram. Whatever the strategy you're using, you can use. There are tons of videos out there. Okay, but I'm going to show you these 4 things which is really important to use this strategy. Okay, so here you can see this is one of my page which I use to run my Instagram ads. Okay, I don't grow Instagram page. I have different pages which is growing very well, but here I just want to show you the page which doesn't have any followers. So I use to keep these kinds of a page so that I can run Instagram ads. Okay, so here you can see this is my page. I kept relevancy. Relevancy is the key in any social media. For example, the name Manifestation Valley, okay, is related to it. This page says this page is all about manifestation. And if you can see the bio, learn to manifest your desire. Manifestation guide for you, reprogram your subconscious mind to manifest. As well as the post also, keep it related to manifestation, right? Like vibes of the day, today's affirmation for you. Okay, all these things, okay, should be relevant. For example, look at this, manifestation positive. Okay, this is one of the group, and here you can see right, a lot of posts over here, and all have very good themes, and because of these themes, they are getting a lot of good likes also. And also, guys, look at this e-commerce academy. This is based on make money online niche, and here you can see how good this page is. Okay, because they kept the themes and they are very relevant. Look at the bio, learn e-commerce and business skills. DM IG to grow your Instagram. Now I am very clear this page is all about e-commerce, plus they also helping people to grow their Instagram. I'm clear with it. Okay, as well as in the keto too. Okay, in keto diets, if you are into this niche, right, keto low carb, okay, join 228-day keto challenge. Okay, this is right there promoting a Clickbank product. Now your bio, right, your bio should always speak about what your niche is. Like my bio, right, it's all about manifestation. And now, guys, the post and caption. So here, pay attention, guys. I'm going to show you a secret strategy which can grow your page right instantly. First thing is, I will recommend you to give a good themes and create your own content. If you create your own content, that's a great idea. To get the content idea, guys, use this strategy which I call, right, best performing post. So what you have to do, you have to follow the similar 10 to 20 pages, and what you have to do is, guys, leave right the first 9 posts, okay, the first 9 posts, and then get into here in the down and see which post is performing very well, which I call BPP, that is best performing post. For example, look at this post, got 2,600 likes here, okay, 2,000 likes and 2,400 likes, okay, right, 1,000, okay, 3,000, look at this, and 2,000. So now here you can see this is the best performing post right now. So guys, what you have to do, right, download this post in your phone, use this software called Repost from Instagram. Okay, once if you install this software in your phone, you can easily download any post, okay, by just clicking here. Click here, and in this, right, click this 3, you'll get the option of regrand this software here, okay, and you can easily download here. Because I'm showing you from the desktop, I can't show you right now, okay, but you can use that software. That's a free. Okay, and now you can do one thing, you can post it here. Okay, you can remodel it. I will recommend you to remodel is using the Canva. Just remodel the best performing post, right? Make in your own style in your own page. That's the best. Or if you're posting it, then definitely give the credit to the people. So this is one of my Instagram page which I started. So if you want to follow me, you can also follow this page called Ask a Affiliate. Okay, so if you have any queries, you can DM me there if it is relevant. So here you can see this, guys, this post I recently posted here. Okay, and here you can see I posted from Young Hustler and I have given the credit. Love this idea shared by Young Hustler, one of the best business idea page ever. Must to follow the page, give the credit to them. If you're right, if you don't want to give credit to anybody, do not post other people's content. Just using Canva or Adobe Photoshop, remodel it. For hashtag, let me show you one of the strategy which works awesome for me. So here this is a pad which you can keep, right, called Google Keep. Okay, you can keep all your hashtag in your phone itself. So the first very important thing in the hashtag is, right, create 4 to 5 set of hashtag which is relevant to your niche. For example, for my manifestation post, I created different hashtag set. Okay, 1, 2, and I have a 3, 4 here. Okay, 4 hashtags. Okay, so I use 4 hashtags relevant to my page. Okay, all about, like, look at this, law of attraction, manifestation, all these things. Okay, positive thoughts, law of attraction, and all those things. Divide your hashtag in 3 different segments, and the first 4 to 5 hashtag should be having a followers of like 500,000 to 1 million. Okay, that's it, not more than that. 4 to 5 which should be relevant to your niche. Okay, and then rest of the 15 to 20 guys, which is having a post of somewhere between 50,000 to 100,000, 200,000. That's it. Okay, and then the rest at the last, the hashtag should be very relevant to the post which you are posting there. Create at least, right, 2 to 4 set of hashtag and post at least 4 to 6 times in a day. If you're growing your account, guys, I will recommend you to post 4 to 6 times a day. More you post, guys, more followers you get, and more followers you're gonna get, right, with that proper relevant hashtags, then you can have more sales. Okay, my strategy works best there. So these are the 4 things you have to do, guys, if you want to make sales with it. Okay, now let's promote the Clickbank product with free with Instagram. Okay, by using these 3 steps. Number 1 is create a lead magnets, and number 2 is link in your bio, and number 3 is promote the link. So let me show you how you can do this. For that, let me open my Clickbank account here. So here we'll get into the marketplace, so that we can select the product, and here we're going to select the products like a spiritual niche. We'll select by gravity. So this is an offer called Manifestation Magic, and let's open their affiliate page. And here you can see this is their affiliate page, so that we can get the tool. Here we have to look for the lead magnets which they are offering. For example, like this ebook, right? 7 scared signs from the universe. This is an ebook, and this is an abundance miracle tone which I used. I'm going to show you in a second how to use. Okay, and then we have a 10 scared sign from the universe. Okay, but we are not going to collect the emails, so don't worry. So let's open this, and here you can see this is the abundance miracle tone which you're going to use here. Now what you have to do is, guys, you have to create your own landing page similar to this. Okay, so here you can see I created a landing page here called Manifestation Magic, and I bought, right, 487 free views, guys. It's a free visit to page. This all visit I got from Instagram only. Okay, so what you have to do is, right, let me open this, and here you can see welcome to Manifestation Valley. Okay, and this all landing page is created here. Okay, I'm going to show you what strategy I used in this landing page. Wait a second, but let me show you, right, how you're going to create a landing page. Right, so let me show you this editor part. So everything is edited here. Okay, so this is in a video. This is the video sales letter, the screenshot of the video sales letter. This is right. So this is where we want to send our traffic, so that they can watch this video and they can buy the product. Okay, they can buy the product for $47. This is what we want to use. Okay, so for that we have given a lead magnet. Okay, we are going to given a lead magnet to them, and also said, right, you can get the lead magnet and also watch the free presentation. Okay, so once we create this landing page, okay, it's very easy to create. and I already have a tutorial on this, okay, videos on this. You can watch that, how to create and all. And I will recommend you to just simply copy this, guys, all right, how I created, because this worked for me if you are promoting this offer. Okay, I'm also going to show you my custom keto diet landing page, which I used, and I also made a sales. Okay, I'm going to show you the proof also. So this is exactly, just simply copy this thing, and this worked very well for me. Okay, I created this in a get respond landing page. The link of this software is given in the description. It's a free software to create landing page. Okay, then once if you create your page, if your page is completely ready, okay, then guys, what you're going to do is, right, you're going to use this link here in the description, the same way how other people are use their links. Okay, this is one of the page, and if you click here, look at this. This is an offer. Okay, they are offering, this is a Clickbank product. Look at this in the down. Okay, numerologist. Okay, and they are doing, but this is not the right way. I'm going to show you more effective way, and that is put your link here. Okay, this landing page link. Okay, just simply copy from here and then edit, right? Simply put here in the website and just tell them what this is all about. Okay, free, just simply put this, guys, get your free abundance miracle tone here, and that's it. So here you can see this guide, get your free abundance miracle tone. Okay, so this is showing in the desktop, that's why it is like this. Okay, other than that, in your phone it will look great. Okay, so if you click here, they will be taken here, right? So now what you're saying, right, welcome to Manifestation Valley, please check your free abundance miracle tone below. So right, how you're going to use this landing page? You're going to use this landing page as welcoming all the followers who is following your page. Okay, who, whenever you post, right, 6 times in a day with the proper hashtag, whenever you get any followers, guys, welcome them. When they follow you, just welcome them. Okay, that is the reason your post, you should have a very good post here. Okay, so you have to use this script, right? Welcome to Manifestation Valley, we help you to manifest your desire. Right? Grab a free abundance miracle tone, a beautiful healing sound path that effortlessly washes away all the energetic junk and negativity that has been holding you back. It's free to download, link in bio. Also watch a free video presentation designed for you where you can learn how to manifest abundance of any desire, wealth, love, happiness almost instantly. Link in bio. Let me know your thoughts. This is what you have to DM them. So, right? So anybody who's following you in your page, right? As you grow up your page, you have to do this simple method, guys. It's just very easy to do, guys. Just click here and just post the message, guys. Just post this message. Okay, that's it. Okay, and they will go to this page and they're going to click here and they're going to see this. Okay, welcome to Manifestation Valley, please check your free abundance miracle tone below. So the tone is given here where they will click and they will going to buy the tone. Okay, and you're also telling them, meanwhile you can also check the free presentation made for you where you can learn how to manifest abundance of any desire, wealth, love, happiness, and almost instantly. Do not make any changes, guys, if you're promoting this offer, and always use these kinds of word, right? Make a same format if you're promoting some other offer. Okay, meanwhile you can also check the free presentation made for you. Use this, right, made for you. This is a sales pitch. Okay, and they will download their gift and they can also watch this video. Okay, make sure you're making a pop-up so that they can click and they'll go to another page to watch their video. Do not make them to watch this in the same video. Other than that, they will lose their download material. Okay, so this is the strategy. This works amazing, guys. You will grow your page, right, through hashtag, through posting good content, and also you can do follow and unfollow. That also a great method. For that, guys, you have to follow at least 10 to 20 similar page like this. Okay, 10 to 20 similar page. Let me show you, right, similar page. And whenever they will post, guys, let's say if this is the post, let me see. Okay, they posted 4 hours back, so you should know when they are posting. The moment they post, click here in the like, and you're gonna see all these people who like this page. Okay, all this. You have to do only one thing, guys. Just follow. Do not do unfollow, guys. Do not unfollow. If you unfollow, you'll lose your account. Okay, in this method you don't need to do unfollow. You can do unfollow a 2 week later, 3 week later, okay, or a 1 month later. Do not worry about it. Just follow slowly. Do not do it fast. Okay, if you're a new account, only 10 or 20, right, in a different time, okay. Do not do on a particular time, otherwise you will lose your account. Okay, you will be shadow banned by the Instagram. Okay, just follow dude, okay, slowly. And some of them, if they are active, that is the reason guys I'm just doing the asking you to do this whenever they're posting right recently. So you can do this thing in a recent post, okay, and they will follow you back, and slowly you can grow your followers. Please do not send the link of this, okay, let them come to the bio. Okay, this is a marketing strategy. Let them come to your profile, okay, and just send them this, okay, welcome to Manifestation Valley, and all this message. They will go here and they will click here. They will also get their tone. You can give ebook or anything, and they can also watch this presentation which you made for them. Okay, let me show you one of the recent proof which I did with one of the product called Custom Keto Diet. Okay, let me show you this. So here you can see the offer called Custom Keto Diet, and here you can see I made $53.82, right? Bought 240 views in this. Okay, I did the same strategy with this. Okay, let me show you here. Look at this, 224 visit from here. Let me open this one. Okay, this is the landing page. Okay, this is the landing page I created. So you can copy my landing page. I said the same thing. Okay, get your free, delicious, easy keto recipe ebook below. Okay, below. So let them go to here. This is a strategy here in this landing page. Do not make any changes in this because this works. Okay, get your free, delicious, easy keto recipe ebook, and also where you can download this, you can watch this, right? Look at this. I wrote here, it's for you. Watch this free special presentation and get your custom keto diet plan. And if they click, guys, they will get into the sales page. Okay, this is the sales page, and if they buy, you'll make the commission like this. Okay, $53. It's amazing free traffic. Okay, I'm not promoting much with free traffic. I'm into paid traffic, guys, because paid traffic you can scale a lot. But if you're starting out, this is a good income, guys, right? And this is an amazing strategy, guys, to make the sales like this. Okay, hope you're gonna love this strategy. Smash that like button, guys, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.